Okay, I gotta pick up a Barbie dream house. Okay, a Barbie dream house. And I just got notification that my Amazon pallet is in. So we're gonna drop off, we got all these packages to take for the silver stuff that I sell, silver. And I'm gonna go see what we got for 500 bucks. Are you coming in?
Coming in, yep.
Yeah. Oh, the doors are open. I was going to open the...
Thank you.
WNEP, you better make the new... Oh, you dropped your keys. I'll get your keys.
Yep, that pocket has a hole.
I always bust them about turning this place into a Taco Bell. So maybe we can put that on the news. Yeah, I'll bring Charlotte back here.
Right?
And we'll get her...
Oh, she loves Taco Bell.
The news is here. Taco Bell is, they're going to put it on the news tonight. Hell.
Where's this huge pallet you're talking about?
I know, tell me about it.
Pallet, I'm getting a huge pallet. The guy goes, I said, well, I said, you want to, he goes, do you want the pallet? I'm like, well, yeah, he's got a pallet coming. He goes, it's 2 little boxes on a pallet.
180, I know. 180 pounds. Do you know how much money that is? 500 bucks.
What's in it?
I'll show you. Hold on. I got a whole bunch of stuff. Do you want to come and help me? No, probably.
I saw the big box you're driving. I was like, oh,
yeah,
that's good.
Yeah. I got like 16 boxes. They're busting my chops. Where's the pallet? I know, exactly. Now, do I have to go to the right? I know how anal you are on Friday.
I just want you to cut in front of her. Nobody likes a cutter.
I don't want to cut in front of her, but...
I thought I did 3
What are these? Your blind boxes?
Yeah. Just the silver today. I don't have enough room in the car. Did you see Joe down there yet today?
Joe, who you talking about?
Snedeker.
He's home in bed right now.
Yeah, he was there this morning.
Yeah. He's in bed, you think?
He's in bed. He's sleeping. Taping it up.
Oh, okay.
I have a lot of packages today. Even have this crazy are all UPS except for this one. Take care.
You too, thanks.
Yep, have a good weekend.
That's how you'll know. That's the only time you'll ever be charged.
Okay.
That's it. You're all good.
Because of like the size of this product, or?
Yes.
Okay.
Yeah. If it's jewelry, anything over 10 pounds, anything over 16 inches.
Got
That has to go in a box.
All right. Thanks.
1 box or 2?
Just one. The Barbie.
Okay.
I think he's got it. Hey.
No, it's constant.
Sorry, but I was already committed to this.
So I didn't know what you were honking. I mean, I'm used to women honking at me all the time.
Oh, well, you know.
Yeah, you know. I thought
I
there.
want to go back out on the
I had to get my notebook out and add another profile.
There you go.
You know, Ted Danson had a black notebook. I have an orange one.
There you go.
I need a van. Yeah.
These are all in. Troy, that big thing's got to go into a 30-30-16. How do you get the free tape from eBay?
When you have a store, you get so much. It's not necessarily the best. My kid got a GoPro.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's what was in that small box.
Oh, really?
Yeah. So this is what $500 gets me. One box of these crazy birds.
What are they?
It's like decoration. That's not what I wanted though. I want the other. Hold on a second. Relax. You're thinking $500?
I got promotion for a property.
This is the box, but oh, wait a minute. No. No. Something's something's missing. Yeah, this is not all of it. That's why. This is not all of it. This is just the this is the
That's just the $2 portion?
yeah, this is the this is like the well, honestly, the value of these things is probably about $500, but the other ones are $4,000.
What is it? More decorations?
No, they're actually when you show there is a
I said, are you sure that's all you use? It's just 2 boxes, that's all I have.
yeah. This would be something, I'll be honest, I don't know, maybe you sell them to a
What is it?
it's like a decoration with a
I know, but what do you do with this? Like that, like a swag or something?
like 2 birds with a
like a trail, like foil?
a vine, yeah. But this is not. This is the other thing was what was.
Right.
But now where is it? That's what's weird is I never got an email about none of this yet.
How do you pay for yourself?
Oh yeah, through PayPal.
So you're covered.
Yeah. Oh yeah. But that's only 2 boxes, and I'm recording me picking them up. So those other ones. So when I say a pallet, that's what
You would think it was a pallet. I was expecting a full pallet.
There's probably 8 boxes of the other.
Good afternoon, UPS store.
Well, I don't know what the heck's going on, but wow, can you believe that, guys? I'm back here at the storage unit. I'm calling warehouse number 2, but I don't know what the hell's going on with Amazon. I don't know if you guys have seen the news lately, but they're closing some of Amazon warehouses up now, and maybe they're finding with the logistics and what they're doing with finding help that they don't need all those warehouses. But with that being said, I didn't get my full pallet. Amazon, where is my stuff? So I got to call liquidation.com, because what happened is, if you know it came from Amazon, it was bought through liquidation.com, $500. So I got those 2 boxes, which I'm going to call, this is for the birds, because obviously you saw what was in there. And when I was in at the UPS store, the guy was kind of wound up today, so I kind of had to take a little bit out there because he was a little wound up at the employees. But so I'm missing about $4,000 worth of stuff. So because they were kind of making fun of me, hey Pat, you said this pallet was coming in and it was 2 boxes. And I'm thinking, well, maybe I misread it wrong, and it was just smaller stuff. One of the something, 1 box, one, I don't know, but lost stuff again. So, and what was weird is Yellow Freight had called me and said that they were delivering. I said, I never got an email. Well, we're delivering a pallet, and I said, well, yeah, it's the UPS store, because the address that they have. And I said, they know it's on its way. And so I guess stay tuned. So we'll show when the other stuff comes in, and that's the stuff I want, because that's the stuff that actually does sell on Amazon and eBay. But I don't know if this is excess Amazon FBA stuff and they're just clearing out the warehouses. I don't know. I don't know where, because a lot of that stuff says shelf pulls. So I'm thinking that it's either people that don't want it no more, people that get to a point, or because that happens, or it's Amazon basically because they're reducing their exposure to all those warehouses. Maybe they're cutting back on slower stuff. So we'll see. Stay tuned, guys. Thanks again. Hey, give me thumbs up. I just crossed, I'm almost approaching 4,100. People are really liking the pallet videos, and I'm kind of excited really what's going to happen in the next year, what we're doing with the pallets, and we're going to start doing even more storage unit videos. The reason I hadn't done it in a while is, where do you go sometimes with the stuff? So I basically want to create a space that I can bring stuff and maybe provide the viewers, or do something special a couple times a year where we kind of make up these mystery storage unit boxes. So thanks again, thumbs up, and I do appreciate the support. Patdees, bye.